Hello there and welcome to your mid-morning forecast this Thursday. Here are your headlines for the rest of today. A band of clouds still straddles Scotland and Northern Ireland, but it is breaking up. We are seeing a little bit of patchy drizzle on it, but not the rain we saw over the last few days. Fine for many and again warm in the sun away from the east coast where we do have an easterly drift. And it was a frost last night, so a cold start to the day. Here's that weather front, not really amounting to very much. It's a fairly thin band of clouds. So to the north, we're seeing some sunshine, and to the south, it's a similar situation. And you can see this breeze just picking up as we head through a Thursday afternoon. So all in all, in the sunshine, it's going to feel quite warm. Temperatures rising very nicely through the afternoon. Yesterday, we saw an 18 across the western side of Wales, northwest England. Similar values today, perhaps a notch down. And even under this cloud, it's a better day than the last few days. The clouds still coming and going as we head through the afternoon. But as you can see, not a lot of rain on it. If you're unlucky, you could see a little bit of patchy drizzle. To the north, highs of around 10 Celsius. In the south, we could see a 17. So through Thursday evening, that frost returns yet again. We see some starry skies across Scotland. We could see temperatures down as low as around -3, -4. And in the countryside across England and Wales, again, temperatures will be sub-zero. Notice the wind picking up a bit more strength towards the east. That may mix up the air a little bit across the far east there, keeping temperatures slightly higher, although that wind is cold. We could also see some shallow mist and fog patches, particularly in shelter towards the west there. So first thing on Friday morning, a frosty start to the day across England and Wales, far north of Scotland. And even across this zone here, the cloud will be a bit more broken, so we could see some patchy frost. However, through the day, the sun will come out across Northern Ireland. Still, again, a little bit of patchy drizzle where the cloud is thick enough across the central belt. But again, we could see some brighter skies. That cloud is disintegrating, and towards the north will be bright with some sunshine. But by the afternoon, a cold wind coming in from the North Sea, certainly feeling a lot colder on this eastern side of the country, and temperatures generally will be a bit lower, 12, 13, 14 Celsius in shelter towards the west. And then the outlook into the weekend. High pressure develops, builds towards the northwest of the UK. We drag in some very cold air across much of the country, and with that and a strong wind towards the east, could bring in a few wintry showers, particularly for the eastern side of England, 1 or 2 across the far north and east of Scotland. So even into Sunday, it's cold outside, frost by night, by day. Yes, we could see 1 or 2 showers, and then the air becomes perhaps a little bit less cold towards the west later. Bye-bye.